Moonbeam Mustangs, named Moonbeam Mcswine from Warbird experiences at Biggin Hill. Commonwealth CAAT Mustang Mark 21 named Jersey Jerk from Ultimate Warbird Flight, and then a very rare visitor back to Duxford after some years away, Cavalier Mustang 2, this rebel never Norway. Based at Bodney in Norfolk during World War II. Whistler scored 18.5 aerial victories. He named his aircraft Moonbeam Mcswine after a popular comic strip character of the day. This aeroplane, which came to the UK from the US Army Air Forces in 1945 but was never needed for operational service, has an incredible history in preservation. It was in the ownership of a very important figure of the day on the American warbird scene, Gordon Plaskett of California, that it was first painted as Moonbeam Mcswine. The Warbird Heritage Foundation in Illinois as a tribute. A deal was done with Fred Akari, who acquired the Sabre we are hopefully going to be seeing later on as a replacement. But then in November of Jersey Jerk of his home state. Identities not known, as many of the Cavalier Mustangs were made up of parts of different P-51s. What is known is that it arrived in El Salvador in 1968, and the following year flew in what became known as the Football War, or the Soccer War, or the 100-Hour War, as it was known locally. In the history of aerial warfare as well. That's because it's the last war in combat, air-to-air combat, aircraft. Today, named this rebel one of 5 Cavalier Mustangs with the Salvadoran air arm. This one, Moonbeam Mcswine, also saw service in the Soccer War with the Salvadoran Air Force. World War II. And the Mustangs originally wore these colours when active in China at the close of World War II. And there is Dan Griffith, after an inimitable performance by him in Moonbeam Mcswine, landing on.